Hey everyone, hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'll show you once again how to generate free AI videos without any paid subscription or watermark. So let's jump right into it. First, open Zawa.AI. I have also added the link in the description below. Once the site loads, you will see an interface like this. Now, click on sign up button in the top right corner and you can continue with a Google account with your Apple ID or with your email address. For this video, I'll use an email address and sign up with a temporary email. So simply copy the temp mail and paste it into Zawa.AI and then click send button. Since I'm using an incognito window, it may ask me to complete a verification puzzle first. So after completing the verification puzzle, uh, a verification code will be sent to your email inbox. So go back to email and open the message from Zawa.AI and copy the verification code and paste it into Zawa.AI. Then click the login button. Once you have signed up successfully, you'll see a dashboard like this. Now click on the product video generator and a new window with a new workspace will open. Here you can upload your reference image. You can also select your preferred region, language, or choose the music only option, and don't forget to select the aspect ratio as well. For the prompt, you can get help from ChatGPT. So simply open ChatGPT and describe your video idea. For this YouTube video, I'm using my own concept, but you can create a prompt based on the type of the video content you would like to generate. Once the prompt is ready, copy the prompt and paste it into Zawa.AI. Then select the video type according to your requirement. And finally, click the generate button to start the video creation process. As you can see, the generation process has started. It may take a few minutes to complete, which is completely normal. Meanwhile, the video is being generated. Let me tell you one very important thing. You can sign up on Zawa.AI with your personal Google account, Apple ID, or with your personal email address. It's all up to you. But with this tool, you can only create one free 15 seconds video. So if you want to create more than one video or longer video content, I suggest you to use a temporary email. Once you generate a 15-second video with one temporary email, simply sign up again using another email address and generate as many videos as you want. So let's wait for the video to be completed. And here we go. Our free AI video has been generated successfully and looks exactly like the prompt I provided with excellent quality and resolution. So guys, with the help of this free tool, you can create free AI videos without any watermark or paid subscription. The generated videos are also easy to download. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more useful and interesting videos like this. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.